Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving your favorite recipes and ideas and things for the fans and love. But anyway, as a nice and lovely. So basically, I'm going to show you how you can cook off some broccoli at home. Empty pot. All you need to do, this is some broccoli. Just cut off the big and just cut it like this. As you can see, exactly what's going on right here. And I know you guys are going to love this one. Nice one. As you can see, how they're looking so lovely and nice. These one they call it purple broccoli. Really nice. Lovely. So what I'm going to do, simple. Just wash them off. So what we're going to do now, that's some water inside of the broccoli, in the pot with the broccoli. And all they're gonna do is just put this on the stove and cook it for about 5 minutes. Alright? That's it. As soon as the water boils, you just cook it for 5 minutes and that's it. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as you can see, that's the broccoli cooking right there. Turn off the stove. I'll put it to one side. Look at that. Nice and beautiful. So enjoy the recipe and please subscribe, leave a comments below. We got a lot more recipe. So as soon as the water boil up, 5 minutes in the water, 5 seconds, 5 minutes in the water until the water, when this water start to get boiled, and just take it out. Very easy and simple to cook broccoli at home. Thank you so much for tuning into the show. We got a lot more recipe and a lot more ideas coming out for the fans.